Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so straight to today's bars, we have fan of Hajia Bintu goes crazy after seeing her in her heavy goods in town. Yes, so social media influencer and TikTok star Hajia Bintu has gradually gained her own fan base. Yes, so the beautiful lady gained fame and popularity through TikTok some months ago, and day in day out she increases her fans and followers on social media. Yeah, so Hajia Bintu is really enjoying stardom now, just like any big celebrity in the country, as she gets the attention anywhere she goes. Yeah, so a fan who spotted her in town went crazy and began shouting her name, and it didn't even end there, as she went ahead to go to her and take a selfie with her. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.